Hello friends, welcome to Crochet Connect India. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. In this video, I will let you know how to crochet this beautiful bag which you can use as a shopping bag, lunchbox bags or college bag. I am using the 100% cotton yarn and 3.5 mm hook to make this bag. First of all, I will tell you how to make this scare. By attaching or sewing these squares, we will make a bag. Let's start. First, we will make a magic ring. After making a magic ring, we will make 3 chains. And then we will make 15 double crochet in this ring. In total, we have 16 double crochet. And once 15 double crochet are made, we will attach with the help of slip stitch, and from back we will make this ring tight by pulling the thread. We will make 3 chains, and after making 3 chains we will put a stitch marker and we will make 1 chain more, and then we will make a double crochet in the same loop, or we can say same cavity, and then we will make 1 chain and skip 1 double crochet and make 1 front double crochet. Again make 1 chain and again skip 1 stitch, or we can say 1 double crochet, and make double crochet in the next loop. Make 1 chain and make 1 more double crochet in the same loop. 1 chain and then 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. These 3 double crochet we have make in a loop will act as a corner. 1 chain and then again skip 1 stitch and then 1 front double crochet, 1 chain and then again skip 1 double crochet and make double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain. For making a corner we have to make a 3 double crochet with 1 chain in the same stitch. Then again skip 1 and make 1 double crochet, one chain and then skip 1 and double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, and make skip 1 and make 1 front double crochet. Then chain and make 1 double crochet in the same space from where we have started. We have make 3 chains, double crochet, 1 chain and make a slip stitch in the third chain where we have put the stitch marker earlier. This is the first row of the square is completed. This is how it looks. Again we will make 3 chains, put a stitch marker in the third chain, again make 1 chain and make double crochet in the same cavity. 1 chain, and then take first double crochet and make a front double crochet in that. Chain. Now we will make 1 front double crochet on the front double crochet of the last row. 1 chain, and then take another double crochet of the corner one and make a front double crochet. 1 chain. In this you will see the in last row we have 1 double crochet on one side. Now we have 3 double crochets on one side, and in a corner we will again make corner as we make in last rows. Double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain, double crochet, chain. This is the corner, and then again 3 front double crochet on this side also. One double crochet we will take from the first corner and 1 double crochet we will take from the next corner. Same you have to make and complete the row. You will have 3 front double crochet on each side. You will see how this is row is completed, and then we will in last with 3 chains we will make 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and slip stitch in the third chain. This is how you have to make the squares. In first row we have 1 front double crochet, in second row we have 3, and you have to complete repeating like this. In next you will be have 5, then 7, and keep notice that you will have odd number of front double crochet in each side. I will make total 11 double crochet on each side. You can make this length of the square as much as length you want, length and width of the bag. You have to make like this. You will see that I have make total 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 front double crochet. I have make a granny square with 11 front double crochet on each side, but you can adjust the length as per your wish. Once you have to make total 14 squares like this, then we will join. For joining, make a slip knot, and you have to take corner. From corner loop you have to take the upper thread on a crochet hook like this, and the upper thread of corner double crochet, upper thread of the corner double crochet like this, and you have to join with the help of this slip knot yarn. Now again next top loop, again next from next second square you have to take the front top thread and you have to join like this. Again next top thread, second square, top thread and join. You have to keep on joining like this. When you join this, please add the two squares at the top. You will see how I have joined. Next I will add two squares. This is how the front four squares will join. Then you will join the back squares and side squares. First keep on joining straight and then sides. This is how your complete bag will be attached. Once you attach the straight, then you can move to side ones, and this is how your squares are attached, and it will look very clean, and there will be no looking like this you have joined something. No joints will be seen in this. Once you join all the squares, your bag will be ready like this. 4 squares on front, 4 on back, 2 squares on sides and 2 squares on the bottom. And you will see how clean and neat this bag looks like. Once it is done, we will make a single crochet in each loop on the top for making a border. This is how you have to make a single crochet. You can make 3, 4, 5 rows as per your wish, how thick you want the border on your bag. I am making the 4 rows of a single crochet. To make single crochet in each loop. After making the 4 rows of single crochet, I have total 180 single crochets. I have divided I have taken 40 single crochet in center of front side and 40 on the back side, and rest 50-50 on the sides. You will divide as you want the width of the border or width of the handle of your bag. You can increase or decrease as per your wish. Once it is done, we can make a handle. I am making total 55 chains for a handle. You can increase the number of chains or decrease as you want the length of the handle. I am making total 55 chains. You will start from one end and stitch it to another end. In between you don't make any single crochet. Like this I have attached to the second end, and you will repeat your single crochet till the next handle starts. You will make same number of chains for the back handle also. Once the handle is complete, you will make minimum 3 single crochet rows on the handle and the sides, and you can increase as much width you want for the handle. Like you will see how we will make single crochet for the handle. You have to make single crochet in each chain. Minimum you have to repeat the 3 rows for making strength of the handle. Then we will close from where we start with the help of crochet by making slip stitch. But you will see it was like a little bit top, it was showing the attachment. We can attach the thread with the help of the sewing needle also. See how we can attach the last thread. We will pass the yarn from the last stitch, and then with the help of sewing needle we can attach the last loop like this. You see it will look very clean on the top part. It was not shown where you have joined the two parts or where you have closed the project. And after that you can sew from the back also, so that thread is not visible at all. If you like my crochet video, please like my video and subscribe to my